Hello ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning into my channel. This is Miss Moline again from Kenya. So today we have our ingredients here. We have ginger, we have garlic, and we have turmeric. Then I'm going to use them to cook chicken teriyaki. And I have my yellow capsicum, red capsicum, and green capsicums. And also I have my red onion here, guys, and my chicken is also here. It's already been marinated with salt and lemon only. I've washed it and then I've marinated it with chicken and with lemon and salt only. So I'll go ahead and start with making my teriyaki sauce. So I'll start by putting a bit of soy sauce. This is a dark soy sauce, but you can use light one. I think light one is better in this sauce, in this case. And then I'm going to put my mustard sauce and my white vinegar. In the case of vinegar, I'm going to put very little because my lemon is already there and they have almost the same. They've got almost the same taste. So once I put this, I also need to add some yogurt to my sauce. After I've put this mustard sauce, I also need to add yogurt. So I'm just putting a pinch of salt to my sauce. Remember, this is like my soup. So I'm adding some natural yogurt to my sauce. I'm rinsing it with a bit of water and then I add. Look at how beautiful it is. It's looking very nice. Already you can even drink it like that because there's nothing raw here. Mustard sauce you can take like that. Only soy sauce I can't eat directly, but the rest of the things I can take directly. Now considering that even soy sauce has been mixed with the rest, I think it's already good enough. And it's tasting nice. So I have my spices here. I have garam masala and I have paprika and I have black pepper and I have oregano and I have something called chibundiro. Chibundiro is very good and very nice. It's an inclusive, all-inclusive, guys. And I have my fresh ingredients here: yellow capsicum, red and green, and also I have my mashed garlic, ginger and turmeric. So this is my sauce. So everything is ready. Now I'll go ahead and start cooking my chicken. I'll have to dry it, put it on the pan and cook it nicely just with oil only until it's dry enough. Then from there I'll start adding my ingredients. So I'll go ahead and put them in my pan. I put a bit of a generous amount of oil so that I can put all of them together in the pan. But of course I'll drain my oil when I'm adding my sauce. I'll drain the oil, all of it out. I'll just leave a little bit to cook for me the tomato. I'll put just one tomato. I'll not put much, just one is enough. My chicken is almost ready. I want to get them out of the pan. so that I can fry my tomato. In the process of frying my tomatoes, I have fried my capsicums separately, so I'll just add them. But here I want to just fry one bit of my tomato and spices. The garam masala, the paprika, I have to put a bit of tomato so that it cooks in, they cook in it. So, but I have fried my capsicum separately. So sorry guys, I've not involved the video of cooking my capsicums here. But yes, you will see my capsicums in my final food that I'll have ready. So I have removed the chicken, and they're looking yummy already. I feel like eating all of them just like this. So I've added this tomato so that I can be able to cook my spices here in the tomato. So this is, I've added my spices, all of them at a go. My spices, I told you they were garam masala, and then I added the ginger, the garlic, and even the turmeric, all of them together. So I'm adding my chicken, keep turning them until they are all mixed well. The spices are all mixed in it nicely. Guys, this version of chicken of teriyaki is very nice. Should try this one. I'm sure it's a good and a very shortcut for eating very nice food in a very fast recipe, fast and easy. So once they are all mixed well, all I'll do is to add my sauce. Once I add my sauce in the chicken, I am done. So I've added my sauce. I didn't put all of it inside. I think it was a lot because I want my chicken to be dry. I want the sauce to dry. I don't want to leave it with so much soup like sauce in it. But the best, you guys can leave it like that because the sauce is very nice. You can just eat it directly like that. Once it boils, you can always eat it directly like that. Just watch out on ginger. Don't put too much ginger. Not ginger, but vinegar if you're somebody who is hyperacidic. This is a very quick recipe for many women or anyone who cooks, and the results are perfect. So my chicken is ready, guys. I want to just remove it. First, I want to ensure all the sauce is dry. I don't want to eat so much of soup like tonight. So this is the result. It's ready, and see you in my next video. Thank you very much for tuning in, and always tune in. So I'll just add my capsicums on top. That's it. I'd cooked them, I've fried them, and I have to just put to taste. I'm putting the two to taste, and we are two here, so we are tasting them right away as my chicken is still kind of cooking. Here is my plate of chicken, guys. Thank you and bye.